Hey, Kendall. Wanna have some fun?
That's your idea of fun?
Come on, don't be boring. Check this out. Oh my gosh! Jay! Ow! It's so painful.
Sit down. We need to put a dressing on it. And this tampon is perfect. I'll open it up and place it over the cut.
Hey, that's a good idea.
And I can use the string to tie it in place.
Thanks, Kendall. Now I can go skateboarding. Whoa!
Jay! Oh, I'll get more tampons! Ah, this is such a nice day. What's going on over there?
Oh no! Aha! The perfect crime! What have we got here? Garbage. Nope. Nah. That can go. Ooh, this is more like it. Jackpot. Time to go. My things! Why?
That poor man. Nowhere is safe these days. Although, I have a plan. I just need a diaper. I'll place all my valuables inside it. Then fold it over. Now for the clever part. I'll place chocolate on the outside of the diaper. Then melt it. That should do it. No thief is going near a poopy diaper. And now we wait. Here he comes.
Heh, another victim. There's not much here. What's this?
That's it.
Is that a dirty diaper? Some people are just nasty.
Gotcha!
Ugh! Come on, lady!
That'll teach you a lesson. Crime doesn't pay.
This is so gross! I need a shower!
We showed him. Oh, hi, honey. Come here. Look what I have.
Hi, Bobby. Wow, this is fun.
Look at your feet!
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. See ya!
Everything is messy now. Oh! Don't move! Stop moving around! I need to do something about this. But what? Hang on. I think I have it. I should have thought of this before. I'll place a bedsheet on the sand and use these bags and cooler to hold it in place. I'll place this basin of water in the last corner. Now Jay can wash his feet. And the sheet is nice and clean. No more mess. Good boy.
Wow, Mom. You're smart.
No, it can't be! Oh! Why does this always happen? What a lovely day. Oh no, my hat!
Ugh! I'm being attacked! Hey, you! Be careful!
Oops. Sorry.
I'm sure there was a river around here somewhere. Hey!
And then my hat just flew off. It was so embarrassing.
Only one thing for it. This should be easy.
What the… What are you doing?
Well, I've got my rod and my gear, but there's no river. Or fish.
Oh, right. It's just over there.
Oh, the thing with all the water. Gotcha!
It's an easy mistake to make.
I really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye!
Hey! Wait! Not again!
Here you go.
Thanks. Maybe this hairpin could help. This could keep my hat in place. I'll push it through the hat and clip it to my hair. I'll do the same on the top. It's staying on my head! Look! It's not moving! See?
I'll find another seat.
It's not coming off! Huh? Where did he go? Whoa! This is amazing! Time to go swimming!
Hey, not so fast. You can't go into the water. No cap, no swimming. You'll need to put this on.
Oh, thanks. This is tricky. Come on! Why is this so hard?
Ah, rookie mistake. Allow me. Fill the cap with water, just like this. Now you can put it on.
Really? Wow!
All I need to do is drop it on your head. Ta-da!
Thanks!
Just doing my job. Happy swimming!
Oh my gosh! This channel's so funny! What should I watch next? This looks good. But I want to eat my cake. I wish I had a phone stand. Oops. Come on, stay up. Never mind. I have this tape. A little creativity, and I'll be able to watch the video. That didn't go to plan. Oh. Hi, Jay.
Hey, Kendall. What's up?
Come over here. Like, right now.
Oh, okay.
Hold that.
But…
Did you see that?
Oh, this is ridiculous. I'm out of here.
No! Jay! Wait. I have an idea. I'll place my sunglasses like this. Then rest my phone on the legs. This is just what I need. It's so good! Wow, it's so warm. I better put on some sunscreen. I don't want to burn. The lobster look is never good. I'll start with my arms. I don't want to miss any spots. I can't reach my back. I knew I should have kept doing yoga. This is so annoying. I give up.
Another day, another dollar. Phew, it's a hot one. I need to cool down. That's more like it.
Hey! Watch where you're throwing that! Wait a minute. I think I can use this. I'll put my sunscreen onto the roller. I'll make sure I have enough. And now I'll apply it to my back. It's just like painting. And it feels like a mini massage. I'm reaching all those difficult spots. That was so handy! Ooh, it's another hot day. I need a drink.
Water, madam.
Oh, this is perfect! Gimme, gimme, gimme! Ooh, it's hot! I need cold water!
Oh, sorry. Hang on. I have an idea. I'll take an empty bottle and pour in some water. But I'll only fill it in halfway. That should be enough. Then I'll put the cap back on. I'll put the bottle on its side. Then I'll put it in the freezer. That should be long enough. The water has frozen to the side of the bottle. Now I'll pour in some more water. It's half ice, half water. And it'll stay chilled. Let's try this again.
Gimme that. Well, here goes. Oh, it's ice cold! It's so good! My hero!
Aw, shucks. Stop it.
Oh, Jay is calling! Hi!
How's things? Wanna go out for a walk?
Of course! I mean, sure.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
Oh, bye! Wow! Oh my gosh! I need to get ready! Whoa! Oh, that smells bad! I need to freshen up. Huh? The shower isn't working! Ugh, typical. What am I gonna do now? This is a disaster! Wait, I know! I'll attach a bag to this hook. I filled the bag with water. And now I'll make some holes in it. It's a homemade shower! I feel better already! I better dry off. Jay's here! I don't need this. Oh, here goes.
Hey, these are for you. Wow, you look great.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Ready to go?
Okay. When the sun's out, all you want to do is relax and work on your tan. With these summer hacks, that's exactly what you can do. What's your best summer tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.